Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method on your Lane Bryant account. If you don't have a Lane Bryant account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website. Here, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Wallet. Beside it, you will see a Manage button. Click on Manage. Here, you will see the list of your payment methods. Now, click on the Remove button under the payment method you wish to remove. That's how you remove a payment method from your Lane Bryant account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.